in assembly. So when we're in assembly, what I'm looking for is good sitting, to make sure you're sitting really smart and making sure that you're not squashed next to the person next to you. So I heard your teacher said to make sure you've got space for the person next to you so you don't feel squashed. I'm also expecting to see good looking. So you should be looking at the person who is talking. So you should be looking forward. And I'm also looking for good listening. So you're listening to the person who's talking. And whether that's me or one of the teachers or somebody at the front, is that you're showing them respect and listening. Now last week, we didn't have a Friday because it was Good Friday. But on Thursday we had an Easter assembly. And this is the first time we've come together since that Easter assembly. And I just want to say well done to you all. I thought your singing was beautiful. And I really enjoyed the poems. And I really enjoyed listening to the work that you've been doing. And it was really nice to celebrate that work with your parent and carers. And when the hall was full, so many people came to see you. And I felt really proud of you all. So well done for last week. I thought your singing was particularly beautiful. And we've got so many certificates here. So I think I'm going to start with, oh blimey, I think I'm going to start with the owls. And the owls have got quite a few. Right, so owls. Let's see if we can do some good listening. So the first superhero for owls is somebody who have completed some super writing this week, showing that you can work hard just like Wesley. We are very proud of you, and that's for Jaden. And another superhero, we had 2 weeks back, because like I said, we were not in school last week. And this is for somebody who's an always child. And an always child means that they're always following our rules and our values all the time. So you are always following our green family values, setting a brilliant example to your peers and young children in school. Keep being brilliant. What a lovely thing to say, and that's what it is. What a lovely thing to say. You keep being brilliant. And now I think I might put the same there. I'll put that there for Right. Owl Star of the Week. Your writing this week has impressed us all. You used your phonics and formed your letters beautifully. Well done. We are very proud of you. The Badger Star of the Week next. Badgers, this is to be a resilient learner in English. Stay focused and trying your hardest to ensure that you have super neat handwriting. Well done to Ira. And then I've got Squirrels, Superhero Star of the Week. So Squirrels, the Superhero Award is for always demonstrating all of your green family values. So you can always be relied upon to be a role model for Team Squirrels and the whole school too. An absolute pleasure to have her in the class. Oh, lovely thing. That's for Georgia. And the Star of the Week is for using these phonics excellently to produce the start of a letter and a character description. That's for Ayrton. We've got 3 Star of the Week. Hold on there. That's brilliant. We've got 3 Star of the Week and 3 superheroes. And then I've got some reading certificates and a sport and achievement. So the sport and achievement is somebody in football from BCI got man of the match. So well done, Ella. So what position do you play at? Did man of the match, did you score a goal or were you good in defence? You scored a goal. Fantastic, well done. And look at all these reading certificates. So we'll get all these people up together and I'll give them all a clap. So they must we've got in owls, we've got Noah, who's moved to yellow level, Kevin, who's moved to yellow level, Jaden has moved to red level. So we've got Noah. Come on, Noah. Come on, well done. Just one start at the back. Kevin. Oh, I thought you were being all shy. Jaden. Oh, another certificate. Well done, Jaden. Cora's moved to blue level. Well done, Cora. Alicia's moved to blue level. It's not Jaden. Bobby's moved to blue level. And Carly's to yellow. Well done, Bobby. That's marvellous. Carly, well done. Right, let's see all our certificate winners a big round of applause. So many meeting certificates, that's absolutely fantastic. Now, have we got any gems? Stars down gems afternoon. We've got badgers, owls and squirrels. Have we got a representative? Have you got yours, Miss Cox? Are you sending your badgers downstairs? Does somebody come and bring the badgers? And owls? Biggies and Miss Conway, have you got squirrels? Bring them to the front then. Let's see how many you've got. Oh, Anna, you've got quite a few there. Your owls. Hey, Anna, let's have a look at the owls. You look squirrels, you've got badgers. Now, when we looked at these before Easter, it was very, very, very close. So let's see what happens with the areas of the table. It looks like it's been a couple of weeks to start off. The badgers seem to be doing really, really well. And the owls, squirrels. Miss Conway, see what you can do in class to get a few more gems. Because I'm sure they're working really hard. Right. Let's see who's taking the attendance there to their class this week. Now, we missed assembly last week, so I've got the winner for last week. Last week, squirrels got 92%, owls got 95%, badgers got 96%. So for last week, badgers were the winner. But we didn't have the assembly on Friday, so we're not here. Let's see what's happening this week. So this week, I've checked your attendance. Owls, you got 92%. This time I'm going to put one of these on squirrels and one on badgers. Because squirrels, you got 98.5%. Now, badgers, do you think you got more than 98.5 or less? Put your hand in if you got more. Put your hand in if you got less. It's not much less. Badgers, 97.8. So, squirrels, you've got the winner for this week. It's who you would like to send to the head there for squirrels class? Rose. So can you look at the attendance bed? Thank you, madam. And just wait there 1 minute. Back to your certificate. So 98. Right, let's see. Can I just say this week, I've been really impressed with your good sitting, good listening, and good looking. I've been really impressed. You have all tried really, really hard. I'm really impressed. Right, let's